Hello and welcome to another behind the scenes. This is the last part in the tactile feedback series, part 4. Bit of a surprise this one. I'm going to show how the robot senses if it successfully removes material or not. Building on that semi-deterministic approach I spoke about in part 3. So right here we have a polymer part with supports. Could be a metal part, could be cast part with gates and runners. Now the robot is going to approach with the tool. It's going to sense a resistance against the supports and therefore activate the tool to remove those supports. If successful, if it senses it's successful, it will stop, retract, and continue to the next recipe step, just like that. The next recipe step is exactly the same, but we've been a bit naughty and removed the supports without telling the robot. So if it just continues on, it will plow into the part, activate, scrap the part. Instead, it senses there's no resistance where there should be supports, stops, retracts, and continues to the next recipe step. Simple but effective. And that concludes the 4-part series on tactile feedback, how we use force feedback to really give that semi-deterministic foundational approach to our product net shape. We also use other sensing capabilities like a vision system, and you can catch that on our YouTube channel in our playlist. Thank you very much, and until next time, bye-bye.